All right, hey everyone, this is Jess. I wanted to jump in and actually show you guys something I came across last week. I have to get a little bit of work done, so I figured I would just record exactly what I'm doing. If you don't already know, I do create and sell digital products, and one of those digital products that I sell is basically a how to become a successful Airbnb coach. So I have a whole platform, I have a YouTube channel, a Facebook group, that is kind of dedicated to me coaching and helping train new Airbnb hosts or helping people who are interested to see how much money they could make on Airbnb. So what I have here, this is one I just created last week. It's an Airbnb quick start guide. Guys, this is something that I wish I had as a new host. It has all these kind of helpful tips and tricks, but this is when you hear people selling digital products, this is what they're talking about. It's some type of information, some type of product that a consumer purchases to learn something or to download some type of template. I have copy and paste templates in here. So it's some type of information that people are buying, but it's all online and it's all digital. So you might be wondering, okay, well, how does this differentiate itself as opposed to like a physical product or even a physical book that they could buy? So one of the best parts about creating and selling digital products is that you can create something and you can create that thing one time. Like in this example, this took me 4 hours to create this digital product from beginning to end. And I've sold it hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times over the last 2 years. So as opposed to having overhead cost, dealing with fulfillment orders, dealing with tracking numbers and shipments, when it comes to a physical product, this is delivered directly into my consumer base's emails when they go and purchase this. So everything's all online. It's very hands-off. If you are someone who is looking into making passive income online in 2025, then I would urge you to explore digital products. Of course, you can subscribe to this channel. It's what I talk about here, how to create and sell digital products, any type of online content, build a brand, build a channel, you name it. Okay, so I just wanted to give an example as far as what this digital product looks like. It has pictures, images, it has headings. It's very put together, very organized, and looks appealing as well. Now let me show you an example of what this used to look like, last week before I actually made it pretty. So all that this is, guys, and this is what I'm actually going to make into a digital product today to sell so that you can actually see the difference, all right? So this is a basic Airbnb hosting guide. It's just kind of for anybody who's curious about Airbnb, but they want kind of basic. So I give this one away for free. It doesn't cost anything, but it's still a digital product. People have to click the link and they have to download it, and it gets sent to their inbox as well. So what we want to do here today is I'm going to take this information that I already have, and I'm going to put it into a website that I just found out about that is actually going to create it into something that looks like this. Because yes, it's easy to sell just a basic PDF that you typed up on Google Docs, but a lot of the times if you want to differentiate yourself from everybody else, or if you want to make yourself look more professional, give your audience a better looking, better, more organized, packet of information or document, then you're going to want to make it look pretty, organize it. You're going to want to put pictures. You're going to want to make it look professional because people are paying money for this, and you want to make yourself look professional as a brand as well. So we're going to make this document right here look like something like this, and I'm going to show you how to do it in, 5 or 10 minutes, okay? So this is really doesn't take that long to do. If you guys want to get to this stage where you have the information, what you can do is just use ChatGPT. It's artificial intelligence. So you go to ChatGPT and you type in, let's say, create me a digital product on if Airbnb hosting is right for me and the basics of being a host. All right, so that's essentially what this document is. It's teaching people, that's why it's for free, right? It's for people that aren't necessarily committed to Airbnb hosting. It's just to give them kind of information on how much money they can make. That way they can figure out if it's right for them, okay? So we'll see what ChatGPT has. Again, it's artificial intelligence, so it's going to be pulling this information and creating the guide for you. Yes, you can go in there and edit it and make it your own. If you don't want to use AI to write something like this, you can just go on a Google document and start typing away and put all your thoughts and information, what you want to share with your consumer base or with the world, just in a Google Doc, or just have the information, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to go to a website called Typeset, okay? So you can check the description. I'll put a link in there if I get one, but right now just go to typeset.home if you or typeset.com, and if you check the description later on, I might have a link that gets you like a free 2 weeks or something like that. But if not, just go to Typeset. So what we're going to do is create a new document up in the top corner here, and we are going to basically select this information here, and we're just going to drag it, basically copy and paste it into our Typeset document. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So all that we're doing, guys, is we're copying different segments of this guide. And again, you can type it up or write it directly within Typeset, but since I already have it created and everything, all I'm doing is I'm just copying and pasting, okay? So this is what it looks like, and it does this automatically. I don't have to go and format everything. It does this, just as we're going through. So it's going to create those titles, the headings. I didn't resize any of this. I'm just copying and pasting, all right? Now let's say I want to go make this look different, like this one. Let's say I want this slide to look a little different or have a different style. I'm going to click this magic wand button down here, and then boom, all of a sudden I can see, all right, let's change it over to this template here, okay? So let's say I change it over, and then if I want to add a different photo, I'm going to go back and I'm going to make sure that one's selected. Sometimes it might need to refresh. All right, so then I have a photo over here. Maybe I want a different picture, okay? So this one is an Airbnb picture. Let's go ahead and put that one in there. And then let's say, since we're on a photo template now, maybe I want the picture to look a little different. Okay, I'm just going to choose from these templates. Let's go with this one. I kind of like the picture at the top, all right? So boom, there it is, guys. Now the picture's at the top. Now I can go keep editing. How much can I earn, guys? We'll go down here. We actually want this to be included. Whoops. To be included on that page. I don't think it did it. We'll go back. Start, do a new page. We're gonna go we're gonna go copy and paste this. Kind of back and forth, guys. Copy your information, kind of separate it based on, where you want your page breaks to be. So now we have a new section. You see how it just added that? A new section, the no property formula, what it is. And we talk about a co-host, which is how you can make money on Airbnb without owning property, okay? Then we're going to go back, and we're going to say, what are all the responsibilities of being a co-host? That seems like a good section where to break it. We're going to copy that. Go over here, click add. Paste it in, and boom, it puts that right there, okay? So, let's see. I don't know why there's these weird photos here. We'll see if I can get rid of that. Delete. Delete. Honestly, I can delete this whole page. And it probably put those images in there because I copied this. So, it didn't know what to do with those squares. So, that was it. Okay, so this part I did not copy and paste. Let's add that in here. Do another section, okay. And what's on this one? It's looking a little dry, so let's go over to our image. And remember, sometimes it needs to refresh. So now we see our image here. Let's type in, actually interior house is a good search. I'm kind of looking for photos that are related to some type of Airbnb or short-term rental stays. So now we've got an image with a picture, and let's go in and kind of change the format. Let's say I want to make it look like that. All right, so we'll select that one, and now our photo looks like that. All right, So then we're going to go create a new selection. And I'm not going to do this whole thing, for you in the video. We're going to go copy and paste each section that we have. And if you don't already have a document, you can just copy and paste it directly from ChatGPT or, wherever you have this information, copy and paste it. You can actually have this because Typeset does have AI. So if I wanted to actually write the full guide, if I didn't already have something created, I can go in here to Typeset and I can say, hey, create me an Airbnb hosting guide that contains XYZ, or that's for XYZ consumer base. And it will use AI to actually write that and put it in, this type of format. And then you can go in and you can edit it, of course. You can change stuff around. You can click and drag, kind of change it to what you want. But for me, for someone that creates digital products, this makes things so much easier. You don't have to sell something that looks like this, and there's no problem with that. I've sold this for 2 years, and it didn't stop people from buying it, okay? But now I'm at the point where I'm selling more digital products. I'm taking myself and my business more seriously, and I want my consumers to buy something that actually looks pretty, that is more organized, and looks more professional, because that is a reflection of me and my business as well. So that's why I switched it to something like this. And the free guide, I want to look exactly like that. So that's why I'm putting everything into Typeset. Like I said, guys, I would recommend this for anyone selling digital products, creating digital products. It's just going to take your business to the next level, make you look more professional. Check out the description, see if there's a link for you to maybe get, free version of this, or like a 30-day trial or something. I'll see if I can get Typeset to give me a link to that. But if not, just go to typeset.com. They have multiple different packages available. They're all pretty affordable, so go check them out. Hopefully that helps you with your business. Of course, comment any questions or any other videos that you want to see from me. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.